Hello. In previous video, we see how to extract internal faces or cavity of any body by using region of faces. So in this video, we are going to see how to extract internal faces by using boss and pocket faces. Okay, so let's go. Select extract geometry command. Extract geometry in face pan. Select the face chain. In face chain, go to the filter and select boss and pocket faces. After selecting boss and pocket faces, select any internal face of the body. After selecting body, just casually check all the faces are selected or not. Then click OK. Suppose here I am checking hide original, then this outer body or original body get hide after clicking OK. Okay. So this is the internal faces we are extracted by using boss and pocket faces. By using same, you can use tangent face method also according to your convenient. So let's go to sieve this body. Go to the surface. So it's n-sided surface. So close this open tubes. Go to the sieve. Select the main body. In tool, select all the remaining sheets which we are created by using n-sided surface. Click OK. Then by taking cross section, just check whether the body is solid or not. Okay. Change the color this internal body. Hide show original, and you can easily find out the difference between internal body and outer body. Okay, so by using this internal body, you can calculate the volume of the solid body. Okay, so to calculate the volume, just select the command. In measures here, select solid body. After clicking solid body, you can get all the information in this pan. Okay, thank you.